This is a 1969 125 Mercury that we just remanufactured. It also has a high performance lower unit, which we were able to modify, put a nose cone on it from Bob's Machine from Florida. Two reasons for this video. This motor is really good looking. It's just, if you're an outboard guy or a boat guy, this really captures your attention. Most people have fond memories of inline sixes. So that's the reason for that. But we even repainted the inside of the motor. The other point of the video is we were able to get all the parts. It wasn't easy, but there's a big growing misconception in the marine industry now that you're not going to be able to get parts for these old motors. Well, it's a 1969. We were challenged to get the parts. We had to get some of the stuff on eBay. If anything, it's easier to get parts now because of eBay and the internet. It's also one thing people don't know, and a lot of people disagree with me. It's easier to get parts for older motors, not this old, but say in the 90s and the 80s, because there was just a wide range of motors manufactured. Lots of aftermarket suppliers continue to make the parts. The original equipment manufacturers made the parts because there's a lot of money in it. They made the same motor for 20, 30 years. There's a lot of motors still out there, even if half of them died. And people need parts continually. So don't be fooled. Unfortunately, it's a lot of dealers that are saying that. They want you to buy a new one. So stuff like that. So we're going to put the covers on. This is it. With the covers on, we're able to also buy brand new decals because there's several, not just one company making these decals. So those are all applied, and it's a pretty motor. It's going on a classic boat that the guy had when he was a younger gentleman, and he has fond memories of the boat and this motor, so he's restored the boat. It's going to Lake George. We're probably gonna have a video from that too. So the part of, as he said, he's been working on it for 14 years, so it's just coming to the end.